Alright. Here today we're going to change the tires on the Mustang. This one, as you can tell, is super flat. Got a new set over here for them. They even see Sport Star in the metal tread. But yeah, we're doing that today. Well, show up the car. Okay, so I got the car back up off the ground. Minimal damage there. I don't even know if it's from me, but got this wheel off finally. One of the lugs was stuck, so you can see how bad maintenances need to be done on here. Oh gosh. So we're going to be doing the brakes too, rotor and pads. It's up on this side. You can tell it's up really high. I put me some fail safes under there this time. Had me some of these old Rams. But yeah, looks like they need to be replaced. Everything's level, pretty solid. So, but yeah, getting it done. Got the tire put back on. New tires on. Look at that tread, boys. And then you want to make sure you do your anti-seize on the lug nuts, on the studs. Okay, so we got the tire on. Looking good. Looks like I gotta get another package of lug nuts. They only gave me 4, and they come to 4 to a pack. That's okay, because we're gonna be putting this one on next. Okay. All right, so we got the front all jacked up. You can tell somebody just did a brake job on this guy, so I don't have to do the brake job on the front end. Look at that. Ain't they pretty? Oh yeah, new brakes, new rotors, everything. So, got the 2 guys going, and here we go. Okay, so you want to make sure before you put your tires on, you got your new lug nuts, and you put your anti-seize on there, and the next guy that does it won't have to break his back. All right. Well, there we go. The new tires are on. Got the spinners on. Just drove it around the block.